One of the other things that we did was to install an induction stove, and we absolutely love it. You have incredible control with it, and it's really energy efficient. You can go up in increments of 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. It's just, I never thought I'd love it so much, and we do. And just remember that if you are going to close up all the gaps and cracks in your house, you need to have a really good exhaust fan that's ducted to the outside of the house so that you get all those smells out of the house. But induction, love it. It's brilliant. We wanted to assess the house and sort of get a bit of a baseline of...
And see if there's things that we could change to cheapen our bills and
make the house more
do
comfortable.
something nice for the environment as well.